Hey guys, how are you? I'll be making this new playlist around Python and everything in Python. Now, the people who are going to learn, they should first know if they should really learn this, right? So this is the introduction video where I will help you decide if you should really learn this stuff or is this useless for you, right? Simple. Practical use case and is there a use case is the first thing that we are going to discuss. So, if you want to get into data science, this is for you. AI, this is for you. Machine learning, this is for you. If these three areas is where you want to go, you're on the right track. If you are starting to learn to code, you are 10-year-old, right? Or 70-year-old, doesn't matter. But the logic is if you are just starting, is Python for you? Yes, because it is the easiest language. Now, should you believe me? Maybe or maybe not. So I'll answer that in a little different way. So this is the survey, Stack Overflow 2024 survey, and this will help you decide if you should really learn Python or not, right? So if you go under programming languages, most popular technologies, and yes, Stack Overflow is big, okay? So you should trust this. And it is doing these surveys from like 2014. Like it's a good survey. I use this every time. So see here, the people who are learning to code, right? 66% of them learn Python. Now, see, this is a simple mathematics, right? That if anyone is going to start, he's going to start with Python, and if he is done with Python, most probably, like this is just a guess, he will get in this direction to a certain extent. The point is, you should start with Python. This is the right thing to do. Again, if your goal is machine learning, AI, and stuff. Now, you might say, hey, I don't want to get into that area. I want to get into game dev. For game dev, the route is different. Then it is C sharp and Unity. Okay. So that's the where area that you'll be getting into if that's your goal. So define your goal first. Again, if you want to get into web development, don't go with Python again. In that case, you should go with JavaScript. Because if you look at professional developers, JavaScript is at the top. Now you might say, what's the difference? Because see, it's simple. All the web development happens using JavaScript. So that's the right way to go in that case. So decision is important here. You have practically there are three areas. There are more, but in general, I am talking here. For the web people, you have JavaScript, but this is going to be a little harder because JavaScript is a little weird language. Okay. If you are AI guy, right, that's Python, right? And the third area is practically game dev, and for that you have C sharp and Unity, right? This is how you should take your decision. If you have any questions, you can ask. In the next video, I'll be starting with teaching practically Python. This was just the introduction stuff, right? So hopefully this is clear and I helped you take a decision on which language you should begin with.